and kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Lachha Paratha. So let's see the ingredients. For the Lachha Paratha, we need all-purpose flour. So I measure with this measurement cup. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 egg. And I will use 200 ml of regular water. Okay, now I will mix all together. And you will be start adding the water. This is only room temperature water. So you cannot add water in one time. You have to add little by little. Now as you can see, the dough is becoming very smooth. So it's ready. So you will cover it wet towel at least 20 minutes. So now 20 minutes resting time is done. So we will check the dough. So I will make a ball. I can make is like just make it like that. And you have to make a round ball. And this on the side I will keep it the plate, and I put a little bit of the all-purpose flour. So 2 cups of flour is just enough for the 3 Lachha Paratha. So now I get the 3 balls and just keep it a little bit distant to prevent the stick each other. Again with the wet towel you will cover it, and we will keep it for like 20 minutes again. It's 20 minutes done. So the dough is becoming very soft also. Then you will put the oil on the table. You can bake anywhere. You can use on the wood table or iron table. It's up to you which available in your home. So when you make Lachha Paratha, you need lots of oil. Yeah. Then you will make a little bit flat, so the ball becoming little flat and bigger. Once this much round, then you will use this one just to make equally flat from the side and from the middle as well. So it's becoming like this round shape. Then you will beat the ball. So you beat like this. If you need bigger size, you can make it more, but just to be careful. The round shape will not. For me, this is enough. Then you can make little bit, spreading out. So if you think that there is already round shape enough, then you will add the oil again. So you can make it like this. Just gather together again, and you will make circle shape, and the end just put it from the top. So now one is ready. I want to show the person who don't know how to beat the paratha. So in that case, what you will do, you will use the oil first, then again the same thing, you will make the flat the ball first, just to make a little bit round bigger. Then you will use this one for the side. Then just to spread it out slowly by slowly. Then you will turn to other side. Again the same thing, you will do like this. Just press it and stretch it to the outside, outer side. At least make it 3 to 4 times until the shape is become big and brown. So 3. This is the last time. So that's enough, and you will stretch it a little bit to outside. So that's enough shape. That's the time you will put the oil. You will spread the oil. Then you can take it like this as well. Just like that. Then you will make the circle shape, and the end you will keep it in the middle. So that's it. It's so easy. The first one I will just fry with the egg. Like that, I will make the dough flatter. Dough size is ready now, ready to beat. So the size is just enough. Then I will put the egg. Then I will just fold it. Then I will fry it in the oil. So now I'll put the oil. Just wait for 1 minute until the oil is ready. So the oil is ready. So we are going to fry this in the oil. Now I will turn it to the other side. Just keep rotating to make it balanced cooking. You have to cook until the color becomes brown, as you can see in the video. You can see like this golden brown. It's the time to take out from the tawa. So it means it's ready. It's already crunchy when you press it. So it's ready. And now I'm going to show you for the simple paratha. This is the one we keep it before, like this. Just make it a flat. How much big you want, as you wish, you can make it the size. For me, this size is enough. So I will just put it in there. While we are waiting for that one, you can make it flat, the other one, just to make it ready. You can turn it to the other side. See, the color is very nice. If you think that you need a little oil, you can just put it from the side. Just little. The fire should be low to medium. Need to fry a little bit more. We'll go for the last one. Before that, I think no need. And this. So it's now time to turn the other side. You will add a little bit oil from the side. Time to time, you have to turn other side and you have to check. After a few seconds, it will be done. So it's done and both sides are equally cooked. So it's ready. So I will take out from the tawa. That's it. Well, now our Lachha Paratha is ready. So it's time for the tasting. And I have the plain one and I have the one with the egg. And I also prepare with the chickpeas with the fried onions on the top, and on the other side I have achar also. So as you like guys, which prefer you want to prepare with. And for me, my favorite is the chickpeas with the fried onions. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and please try at home and you will like it. And who don't subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.